What is accounts receivable financing? Accounts receivable financing is a way for businesses to get cash by using unpaid customer invoices as collateral. In simple words, a company receives money today based on the payments it will collect from customers later. When a business sells goods on credit, customers may take weeks or months to pay. During this waiting period, the business may need cash to pay salaries, suppliers, or operating expenses. Accounts receivable financing helps solve this cash flow problem. In this process, a company gives its unpaid invoices to a bank or finance company. The lender provides a percentage of the invoice value as immediate cash. Usually, the business receives about 70 to 90% of the invoice amount up front. When customers finally pay their invoices, the lender sends the remaining balance to the business after deducting fees. There are two common types of accounts receivable financing. The first is invoice financing, where the business still collects payment from customers. The second is factoring, where the finance company collects payment directly from customers. Accounts receivable financing improves short-term cash flow. It allows businesses to continue operations without waiting for customer payments. However, lenders charge fees or interest for providing this service. Businesses must compare costs before using this financing method. This type of financing is commonly used by small and growing companies. It is especially helpful for businesses with many credit sales. In simple terms, accounts receivable financing means turning unpaid invoices into immediate cash. Easy way to remember. Accounts receivable financing means getting cash now from future customer payments.